Hello and yet again, welcome to the Tunisian Tamazight project YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to learn twisting our tongue in pronunciation. So keep in mind that we really want to be respectful towards one another in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe and comment and share this video, because I really want to make sure that everybody benefits from this video, because of the fact we're not going to leave until we've learned some of the words and made them easy to memorize. So without any further interruption, let's begin to learn. So what I want to begin with is simply this word that comes across to my mind every time I think about it. I mean, I don't even have to think about it, just cross my mind really. And it's sigmardin. You really have to push into the R, like R. You know, some of the words you really have to push into it, because we are Algerians and Tunisians. We're kind of hard, really harsh with the words sometimes. That's how it is. For not all the words, of course not. It really depends on the sentence, the meaning, and the word you're using. So in that sentence, in that meaning, so to speak. So it is inevitable for me to say that I'd rather learn it sooner than later once I'm into it. Sigmardin means since then. Now we're gonna use similar word, and let's see here. It's awardin. Awardin means over there. So sigmardin. Awardin, sigmardin, awardin, so over there. And another word that means life, and this word is particularly kind of hard to pronounce. It depends on how you use your tongue. You have to use it like out, not out all the way, but like in front of the teeth, like behind and front of the teeth, when you say thamudurth. Yeah, so two times, sorry, not behind of the teeth, in front of the teeth. Thamudurth. So thamudurth means life. So it's very easy for you to stumble in words when you're saying eth in one word, like thamudurth, two times in one single word. You can easily stumble, especially when you combine it in a meaning. Imira. Imira basically means now. So the reason I use this, everybody can say Imira, it's so easy, but I'm making a difference between the hard words from the easy words, so you can hear the difference. Everybody can say these words, but once you combine them in a meaning, that's when it becomes very complicated. So Imira means now, and amokran. Now this word, for the Latin speaking people who use the ABC alphabets and all that kind of stuff, we have different letters, like qa. Qa is like, it's very complicated, but you simply say qa. It's from the deep throat, you say it kind of. So it's similar to K, but kai. So train to kind of acknowledge that qa. Once you do that, then we can start and say amokran. So amokran means great. You've seen maybe in my previous videos where I say amokran yamokranan. It means the greatness of the great, like that. So amokran means great. Imardin. Imardin means at that time. So imardin, at that time, remember. So if you want to say at that time, I was doing this and that and that, you can start with imardin, and then we're going to continue with the sentence, but it's not the time for it now. We just want to learn the basics. Imardin means at that time. Argaz. Argaz means man, a man. Argaz. Thamatoth. Thamatoth means woman. Now you've noticed that thamatoth begins with the letter T, right? So that's why basically many women from Amazigh people have the letter T tattooed on their faces, because it represents the honor of a woman. So they tattoo a T, so because they are married, it's a mark that they are married, and it's an honor to be a woman among women in the Amazigh tradition. Thank you for watching this video. Now at least you know how it sounds like. So if anybody asks you how does Tamazight language sounds like, you just click on this video and voila. Merci beaucoup. Tanmirt Azul Filak. Oh, I forgot to tell you that Azul means high, and Azul Filak means high to a certain person. And Azul Filawan means hi to a bunch of people. And last but not the least, how are you means mtahalid. There is another way to say it, I just forgot it now. But mtahalid means how are you. Part 2 we will learn Tamazight alphabet together, so stay tuned. Akas Tamirt Ar Azeka.